I'm going to introduce you guys to our next door neighbor, Millie and Bob. Hey, Millie and Bob. This is my new listing, comes complete with a chicken coop and 8 chickens. It's a beautiful ranch. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath at 630 Fleming Falls. Let's go inside and check it out. So as soon as we come into the house, we're greeted with the living room. Now, the living room is a large, ample living room, and what I love about the living room is that it leads right into the kitchen. Look at this huge kitchen. He has a center aisle. You can honestly fit a small table if you want in here with 4 chairs. All of the appliances come with the listing as well. It has 2 heating sources. So they have an electric heating source, and for colder nights you have your wood pellet stove that you can use as well. Now towards the back of the house, he has his 2 bedrooms. The first bedroom is right straight after the living room. It's a nice sized bedroom. And then right after the first bedroom, you are greeted to the larger room, which is the primary room. It has a sink and a nice size closet. Right after the larger room is the full-size bathroom, and it has a full-size tub and a nice size shower head. Now, if we go outside, it is a corner lot, and you have almost a ½ acre quarter lot. Let's go outside and check it out.